Hi guys, welcome to week 6 of our Maybank project. So the kitchen's in now, pretty much everything's done, it's just the snagging that I'm doing today, and then it's carpeting, furniture and white goods. Alright, let's come in. Right, so it's the porch. What's that? So if you want to come in, so this is the kitchen. This is one of spin around this thing. Really high quality kitchen. I'm pretty sure, well, I'm hoping that the tenants will be really happy about this and using it and living here. As you can see, it looks completely different to what it used to look like. Again, nice modern design. Boilers there. So we're going to box this up just to keep it nice and safe. Got the thermostat over there. Plenty of storage. Again, this is on for 4 people. We've got the washing machine, tumble dryer coming from appliances online, and we've got 2 fridge freezer coming as well. Actually, I think I might change it just to 1, which will go there. And then we've got the dining table and 4 seats to go here. We always get our stuff from appliances online. As you know, it's really straightforward. They'll deliver it, put it in, and then they'll shut off. It's just, it's cost effective, very reliable service. So this is the sort of the storeroom. Got your fuse board in there. So what we're going to do is put the sort of the cabinet in there with the CC security system, locked up obviously, and then throughout here we just put the broom, mop bucket, vacuum cleaner, stuff like that. So that'll be used. Alright, let's go to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom shared throughout the house. Really nice tiles actually, non-slip, good quality. Yeah, I'm really impressed by this. Shower unit. Again, this was the original bathroom, but we kind of moved everything over just so we got more room in the kitchen, or the previous kitchen. And then we've got room 1. Really nice room. Again, this used to be the kitchen. That used to be black. The meters used to be here. We flipped it around, moved it to the outside so that tenants here don't get disturbed. Really nice and presentable, sort of clear walls. Again, as part of snagging, I'm going to have this. We're going to remove all this, change that to a thumb turn, and then wash the whole thing down. Let's go into the garden. As you can see, just really nice garden back here. And that's been filled up as well. I mean, that's a really, really nice garden, which might be quite high maintenance. So, here, there's everything's been repainted. Some of the covered area. Room 1. So we had to move that wall slightly, just to keep this room compliant, so that it meets the minimum room size. We actually had to leave this here because of the window, but we moved this in. Okay, room 2. Again, nice and presentable. Again, we decided to wallpaper up here because it would have costed too much to skim everything, plaster everything, skim everything and repaint it. The figures won't work out if we did that for this particular project. Master bedroom. So there used to be wardrobes here, they've been taken away. There used to be some sort of headboard wardrobe thing here as well, that's been taken away. There were cracks here, creating a lot of damp from the outside. That's been fixed. That needs, the paintwork in here needs to be touched up. So there was that issue previously because the guttering here was cracked. So that's all been sorted. There was a bit of a damp issue in this house, as it turned out. The tenant never said anything until she's moved on, and now we found, actually there was a bit of a damp issue. So at this stage, I've just, we're just going around doing a bunch of snagging. Window restrictors will need to be put in here, just because of the type of tenants that there are. So we've booked in, aside for the kitchen and the flooring, sorry, the carpets on the flooring. So up here is just standard grey durable carpets. Downstairs is really nice vinyl. For the kitchen, actually, what better time not to do the bathroom? Yes, for the kitchen, and then we've already arranged the furniture for Eddie. So tomorrow, Asad's coming with the flooring, and then the white goods will be delivered on Sunday, and then the day after that, Monday, is Eddie will be coming with the furniture, and I've already ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon to put on your notice boards, stuff like that, and I think it's just getting Fiona from Promised Identity to come back in and then do a sort of final inspection, get the certificates in, and that should be that, I think. So we'll probably do one more video right at the end once everything's in, just do like a final walk around to show you what it looks like or what it should look like. Right, hopefully that's been helpful. See you guys next one.